Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Now, I'm in a kind of different space today, not my original setup, and that's because I just received this. Right over here, there you go. And this is the RAM by Crucial. This is a 16 gigs. And I got this because I just got the new iMAC 27-inch, the 2020 edition, and I got the 8 gigs of RAM. I didn't feel like paying extra $200 when I could just order this RAM from Crucial for about 70 bucks. Now, the installation of the RAM is very simple and straightforward. Apple made sure that the 27-inch iMac, you can install it really easily, and let me show you guys. So here's the iMac, and you have to place it on a soft cloth because the screen goes down. And the way this works, and let me switch camera angles. Alright, so first what you need to do is remove the power cable. And when you remove the power cable, I gotta untangle everything. There's that little button right there. And you need a tool to press the button. So in my case, I grab the pen, and don't be scared, just push it down. When you push it down, the main cap for the RAM pops out, and that's where your RAM is. And it's just like a plasticky cap with the like metal side finishes, I guess that's how their enclosure works. So now what you do is you push those two white things that hold it to the left and right, and then when you do that, the RAM comes out, and all you do is just lift the RAM up. Don't be scared, and that's how easy you have access to iMac 27-inch RAM. And this is 4 gig RAM sticks. I don't even know why Apple gave us 4 gig RAM sticks. They couldn't just give 8 gig, whatever. And that's my Crucial RAM that I ordered. As you guys can see, exactly the same thing, exactly the same specs as Apple's, but in 16 gigabytes. And then to insert it, you just line it up, press it down, and that's it. That's how easy the RAM stick goes in. And then you grab your second one and you place it down as well. And from what I know, you see those black squares, you want to face them towards you. If you got the Crucial RAM, because that's how they go in. And just place them right next to each other, and then push the enclosure back in, and then push the left and right things towards each other, and that's it. That's how easily the RAM gets installed. And then all you do is just snap the cover back on, and now you have 16 gigabytes of RAM. Turn on the Mac. So you get this Apple logo right over here. And as you could see right here, 16 gigs is now installed. And the 2 slots are empty, of course. A lot of people will ask me, but what happens if I mix 2 8 gig RAM sticks and 2 4 gig RAM sticks? Well, let me show you the results. So now I'm going to show you what happens when you install the old Apple's RAM with the new Crucial one. And the process is very simple, like you saw before. Just put them inside, and for some reason Apple RAM goes in the different side than Crucial, but that's Apple for you. Snap them back in, make sure they're all nicely aligned, and then just push the enclosure down. It's kind of tricky, but when you push it, you just snap in those little plastic or metallic lines, and that's it. Same process, rinse and repeat. Close the encasing, and now let's see what happens and if even the Mac turns on. Okay, so now let's go check how much RAM we have. So we're gonna go to like the Apple logo, about this Mac. We're gonna go memory. So I have 24 gigs of RAM installed. So the weird part is Apple states that it only uses the highest of the RAM sticks, but in reality you could actually mix and match as long as it's in 2 pairs. And I'll have this link down in the description on how to install RAM officially. But guys, there you go. There you have it. That's how you install new RAM, and that's what happens when you combine 8 gig RAM sticks and 4 gig RAM sticks. So thank you guys for joining. If this type of video helps you guys, check out my how-to series. I have a few other videos that I'll have a playlist made for. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.